Hey, welcome back! Alright, so strap yourselves in because I have been doing some wondering, which is not always the safest place for me to be inside my mind, but we do have all of these absolutely delicious variety. That wasn't a good, there was so much wrong with that sentence anyway, but we have got so many fantastic skin tone varieties in Lego mini doll form these days that it can become quite hard to mix and match and make your own custom mini doll. Is a good problem to have. And we've also got fantastical skin tones as well. So it got me wondering, a little bit of thinking, why do we not have in mini dolls a classic minifig yellow skin tone? Equality for mini dolls. Hashtag make mini dolls yellow. So we're going to do that today. So see this guy? Classic. This is him, classic color scheme. We do actually have a mini doll. We have Joy, who's a light shade of yellow from Inside Out, but no, this doesn't match. We do not have a mini doll who matches the same skin tone as a classic minifigure, so we're going to paint one. So I have found a base, which is the same color scheme. So we've got blue on the bottom, we got red on the top, and even the shades of blue and red are pretty good. Got a face, a head, and I'm going to take this mini doll here and I am going to paint her yellow. She's going to be just like a minifig. So this actual color here, the moon yellow in the Vallejo miniatures paints, pretty good shade match, I think. We're going to be putting it over this light nougat color, the skin tone for the mini doll, so it might change a little bit, but let's do this. This is an experiment. It's for science and for equality. So let's paint. This is, so we've only got a few exposed parts of her flesh here to be able to actually paint. So, and I have to get in so close now with my magnifying glasses so you can see this slightly weird magnify bit on the side, but that's just too bad. This is the only way that I can actually see to paint at miniature, is from 15 centimeters away from what I'm painting. So we have to get in super close so that I don't go everywhere. So just a little bit of exposed skin down here around the pants. Nice. They actually just look like yellow socks, but whatevs. We are totally just going to embrace the lunacy of this idea. Is it lunacy though? Because I hear so many people going, oh, a classic minifig can be any skin tone. Well, we're about to see whether if we do that on a mini doll, whether that argument actually holds up. I just don't know. Okay, so we got the hands done, we got the neck done, and doing the head's going to be the hardest part. I'm actually going to put a coat of yellow over everything. But then once it's dry, and I'm not going to do this on camera because it's going to be too hard, I'm going to use a toothpick just to gently scratch the paint away from over the mouth and the eyes. And this is what we ended up with after some time drying. So here's our classic minifig dude. Now we're going to have a look at what mini dolls look like if they were classic yellow skin tone. Here we go. Here's the big reveal. So we got our legs, which just does have the little peak of yellow around the ankles. How very risque. And then for our top, yellow hands. I think the shade match is actually pretty much spot on. It's not as shiny as the official Lego minifig yellow, but that's fine. So it's more a matte version. And then we have our head, and I think that a mini doll can rock classic yellow. Right? What do you think? Have I gone insane? I think that looks quite good. Maybe some hair, because it just I just kind of feel like maybe we could have some hair, so maybe we could have that one, or we could use this one, which is the same shade as the skin tone, and it's this fantastic bowl cut, and when I put this on, it's actually going to very probably just cut through some of my painting that I've done. Should I do it? Should I press it down? I'm going to anyway. Look, this is just absurd. I think I've officially lost it. Let's get this on. That's really cute. Look at that. Come on now. Come on, Lego. Give us a classic yellow mini doll. I think that it absolutely translates so beautifully. Maybe we should swap over though, because that hairpiece it's hilarious. But we'll just see, because classic yellow minifigures wear normal hairpieces as well. So let's swap this over here, and then we can pop them side by side, and they can be besties. Check it out. Mini dolls and minifigs together, just as they should be. There's nothing keeping them apart. They're BFFs. Let's take a quick picture. Oh my gosh, little snappy snap. But I couldn't leave it at this. So I decided to Gosh, I'm so sorry. This is what I did. So I decided we were going to go even classicer, and I painted some blue pants and a red top and the yellow hands and the yellow neck and I erased the face off a mini doll head and I painted a classic minifig face on. Very poorly, I might say, because it's just like when it's on, it looks okay normally, but when I put it under the macro of my camera, you can see how it's just like slightly melty, and it just looks just that little bit cursed. But let's put the hair on. I probably need to lie down for a minute. Oh my gosh, this is my new best friend. How cute are they? They are the best. Look at them. Look at them. Let's get them. Let's get them side by side, holding hands, skipping off into the sunset. Ah, I actually think as an experiment, this was one of my favorites ever. I still can't hold it together. Every time I look at this, let's take the hair off. Look at them. Oh, they're twinsies. They're a pigeon pair. They're together forever. So I've actually fixed up the face in post-editing here. I've done a bit of photoshopping so we can have a look what it looked like if it wasn't slightly askew and therefore demented, though it added a little bit of charm. But here we go. This is what it would look like if it was printed on by something mechanical and not with human error and slightly wobbly hands. So we've got choices now. We could have a modern version with the yellow skin tone, or we could go classic twinsies together forever. Can't tell them apart. Oh my gosh. Yes. Well, I've made my mind up. I think we need a mini doll in classic Lego yellow. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, but I've got to just leave you here with this. My favorite version here. This is so endearingly charming. I feel like they need a name and I want to like keep them and cuddle them and squish their little cheeks. Look at them and pat their smooth yellow hair. This is my new BFF, Jerry. So, yeah. I've named them, so now they have to be with me forever. That's how it works. All right, make sure you let me know your thoughts in the comments, or maybe don't. I'm not sure I want to know, but I do. And I'll see you again with another video really soon. I'll see you then. Bye.